Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm just sitting here I just fancied doing a little bit crochet because I haven't had time to do any this morning. I had washing to do and one or two other things, and it took me till lunchtime, which is when I normally do my crochet. So I came up here. I was doing a video for a Happy Meal I had, and while I was just waiting for it, going through the Happy Meal, going through the converter, and then going through the steps it has to go through onto YouTube, and that I just picked up the because this was all I had up here at the time, the crochet. So I thought I'll just pick up the blanket and do a little bit of that while I'm sitting here. And I was actually feeling a bit cold up here because I don't put my heating on until after my tea. At the moment, when it gets really a bit cold, that'll be on all day. But at the moment, I don't put it on after tea. But it's not very warm in this room because any sunshine shines round the other side of the house from about 12 o'clock in the afternoon. I don't get any sunlight in this room shining directly into the room. So it is, if there's no sunshine and if it's cold not outside, it does feel a bit more cold in this room. But this blanket, I've got it on my knee and it's lovely and warm. It's about, I kind of hardly there, I can see that's the bottom of it there, and it actually reaches I've got it, fitting it. I'll put it down a little bit so you can see. I've got it there, that's where it's come to, and it's actually, I think it's further down, and don't know whether you can see where you can't see my foot for the thing underneath, but it's down to my ankle. Put the computer back up again. But I'm keeping it going until I finish because I have one full ball left, and there's not much left on this one here now because there's a big hole in the centre. So I'm just going to keep going till it's finished. It'll be quite a good size blanket because there's nothing else to use this wool up on, and left with one ball's no good for anything anyway. So I'm just keeping going until I finish the whole thing. So that's what I was doing while I was up here, and this blanket's just keeping me lovely and warm while I'm doing this. But I'll put this down in a minute. Because I show these things like this to do with this like crochet on my crochet channel to get the views up and the subscribers on it as well. But I have one or two other things I'm doing in crochet, which is if I can get this out, it's stuck. I've lost my hook. It's just a little thin hook I'm using on this one because I'm doing the bus pass cover, or little pouch for putting a bus pass in. I've got that one going up here as well, but I don't usually do these until in the morning. And I also have, put that back down in there in case I lost it, but a bag that I'm doing for a lady. I did one, I forget what the lady's name is, I've got her name down in my book, but I did one for her, and then she asked me to do one for her daughter as well, so I've got that going on up here as well. So that's 3 things to do with crochet actually that I am doing. I'll turn that around because I'm onto another row. It's so quick to crochet up this because I'm using the large crochet hook on it, and because it's very thick, this stuff, and it takes no time at all for to use up the ball. I could probably sit here for about an hour and I would probably finish it, which I think I might do actually, because I just want to get it finished and I can get it on my shop for sale, because people will be wanting things like this at this time of year, especially with because I think our gas and electric went up again, beginning of October. And the way the prices keep going up and up and up, people need things, so they'd rather have something like this on their knee to keep them warm instead of having to put it's the saying is, heat yourself, not the whole house, as long as you're warm. Which is what I do actually a lot of. So I'll just think with that a minute. You leave the hook in there. So what else I have been doing, I haven't sewn up anything what I've done yet. I still have the white cardigan that I did. I still have that to sew up. I haven't sewn it up yet because I thought I was in the middle of this one. I thought I'd finish this one off. So I have finished this one now. You can see I just have to sew this one up now. Put the pieces together, and that's 2 sizes on this pattern that I'm doing. I don't know whether I'm going to do all up to the 24, what I normally do. I might just do it up to a 20 inch. There'll be one more size to do on this because I've got one as a V-neck and this one's a button up in the reversible pattern, because like you can see, you can have it on either side. That's the side I've got it on, but the other side you can have it on as well. It's like that's reversible, so I just need to sew that one up. And the chunky one, I have just started. Look at that all out the way. I've just started on another chunky one. This will be the 22 inch, which I'll be doing for a boy, this one. The white one is for a girl. And I've already done a blue one for a boy and a lemon one for a girl. That was the 16, the 18 and the 20 I've done, and this will be the 22. This one's for a boy. So I've just started this one, doing the back. This is the back of the 22 inch. And it knits up so quick there. So I'm definitely going to do more chunky and Aran patterns because of how quick they knit up. I can get the patterns out quicker, because I do have to knit everything before I can put the patterns out, because I need to knit things for to work out the instructions for them. I can't just do them out of my head. I have to be seeing what I'm doing, and I write down each little thing. I jot down each little thing that I do and how many stitches and if you're increasing, decreasing, and I have to work things like that out as well. So I can't do that in my head. I have to do it as I'm knitting it. Because I tend to, if I do a back, I'll put the back down when I come to do the fronts. I keep measuring it up against the back that I've done, and then I work out how many decreases I've done from the armhole up to the neck. So I have to get the same number of decreases on the fronts as I do on the back. So the only way I can do that is to knit them. And that's why it takes me such a long time to get a pattern out when I do it. But these chunky ones are... Never realise how quick you can knit them up, because I've never knit much with chunky in all of my years. But anyway, that's what I'm doing at the moment. I'll be going back down. It is... I can't see the clock. I have the light thing off my ring light standing over there to make a little bit light, because the corner goes dark if I don't have it on. But it's also giving me a bit light because it's starting to get dark outside as well. And it's hiding my clock. I can't see the clock or the light shine off, but I think it's nearly 5 o'clock. So I'll be going down to sort out my tea, and then I'll be sitting downstairs instead of up here in my workroom. I work between both rooms now. I'm up here during the day and down in my living room of a night time. Because if I do feel a little bit chilly, I do have it's one of those convector heater fire things, but I can't put that on for a little while. If I don't want to put the heating on to heat the whole house, which I'm not going to be in, I'll only be in one room. And sometimes I just put the heating on for maybe an hour before I go to bed, so to warm up the bedroom a little bit and to save on heating like I'm saying when you don't need to heat the whole house. So that's my little bit for today. My second video today. First one was Happy Meal. I've done a Happy Meal video. It's on my shopping channel because I have shopping Happy Meal and other things like that on that one. So thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you all another time. So bye for now.